Hey folks, welcome to Selenium interview question series. So in this we will understand when to use getText and when to use getAttribute. So and also we will learn when to use this particular method. Before we begin, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. First let's understand what is this getText. GetText is a method. So it is used to retrieve the visible text from the particular web element which is getting displayed on the web page. Okay. So when do we use this particular getText method is when it is specifically designed to extract the text that is visibly displayed on the web page. For example, suppose you have a text called suppose Hi, welcome to software testing. So this is a visible text, correct? So that is getting displayed on the screen. So you can use at that particular moment to get the text of the element. Okay. And when this get attribute is used and what is it? So get attribute is a method. Okay. It is used to retrieve the value of a specified attribute of the web element. For example, you have something like href, the reference, or which class, or what is the ID. So all these are the attributes of particular web element. If you want to extract such attributes from the web element, which is getting displayed on the elements at element level, when you inspect, you can see what is the ID of the element, what is the class, and other details, right? Suppose in that you want to get the href or you want to get the class. What is the class that is being used? Okay. At that time, you can use this get attribute method. So when to use this get text method? First, first you have to make sure that a visible text is being displayed on the screen. Okay. In that case, you can use this get text method. Suppose if it is having span or div tag, such elements text can be retrieved using the getText method. So, for example, if you want to verify the text on a button or capturing the text of an error message, okay, on a screen, say there is an error message which is getting displayed, say wrong password or wrong username. How do you inspect them? While inspect, okay, you want to compare whatever the value which is getting displayed on the screen is correct with whatever my expectation is not. Okay, at that time you can go ahead and then inspect it and get the text of the element and then compare. So this is what my expectation is, whether this particular text is getting displayed or not. Okay, so at that time you can use the get text method. For example, suppose say here this is how you can get it. So you can use any of the way, like you can use the tag name or by the text and then link text. You can use all any of them and then you can use the get text method, ID, class, or anything, and then you can get the text using the get text method. Okay, and then simple you can print it. So this is how you can use the get text method. And next is get attribute method. So if you want to fetch the attribute values, okay, in that case you can use the get attribute method. Suppose you want to extract the href from the hyperlink, okay, or you want to retrieve the class attribute of any element. That time you can use the get attribute method. So this is how you can use it. String href element, whatever the element you have, dot get attribute, what is the attribute you are looking for. So it is href and then you can print the value. So this is simple, correct? So this is the major difference between get text and then get attribute. So when to use what is one clarity that you need. This is also one of the interview question you must be aware of. If you have liked this video, please do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.